smoke still hangs above the stones. I'm counting names I used to own. 3 small shoes by the broken door. They don't run past me anymore. The sky don't cry, though my heart bleeds. Every silence cuts deeper in me. What's left of me when you're gone? 3 shadows fade with the morning sun. My hands still reach, but they find none. What's left of me? What's left of me? Your laughter haunts that empty room. I hum your tune like a prayer through gloom. The cradle rocks from the midnight breeze. Ghost songs whisper through the olive trees. I light your names in the candle's flame, but no fire fades the endless blame. What's left of me when you're gone? 3 angels lost before the dawn. I breathe your names, it burns my lungs. Oh, what's left of me? What's left of me? If mercy had a place to land, I'd give my soul, I'd raise my hand. But I'll walk alone through dust and plead, carrying what's left of me. What's left of me when love's been torn, the cradle's cold, the beds are warm.